to cry. Saying he's sorry, he's not gonna do it again. He's not gonna do it again. He's not gonna do it again. I'm sorry, and crying. Yeah, but I don't pay that no mind.
Brittany, speaking from experience, from a man put his hands on you once, it will only start to get worse. Trust me, it's gonna go from that. Next thing you know,
Yeah, my face is
you have a bust.
swollen.
Next thing you know, your teeth lick out, your veneer lick out. You don't want to go through that. It's gonna get from bad to worse. Because obviously, this person has an anger issue. You understand? Like, you angry, the two hotheads cannot be together. Somebody gotta be soft.
If you tell her, you know, because I don't want to get involved in your thing, you know. I know them a dirty drunk creator, you know, then we say me I get involved in your thing, you know, Brit, is it? So, me I gotta remain silent, Brit, but Zozo love you still in a Brit. I make the people corrupt, you know.
Pops, can I ask you a question? Just a small question. Like, so do you think he should speak to her the way he speaks to her, though?
What you mean by?
Like the things William said to her, like William did I call her so cool and the constant disrespect.
Remember, say I want money now, cause boy, I don't want to get involved in the youth. Remember, say Brit and Zozo come from far, you know. So you can't get involved and me can't get involved. Them a come from far. So even tomorrow, I Brit and Zozo that again. Don't get involved with them.
But you don't think it's toxic?
What you
To
mean
the
by?
point where they might fight each other and our face chop up. You don't think it's gonna get from bad to worse, Pops?
Listen up. Brit love Zozo. Zozo love him. So I ain't idea. I just jealousy of just can't pray for two of them. What you gonna tell them if you do? Kill them, you know? Just,
Maybe avoid each other because the relationship is toxic.
no, you can't rule the people in relationship. But Lord God, let me take off my time. Brit, you hear me? Brit,
Yeah.
Brit,
Mm-hmm.
listen to me. Don't make nobody tell you what to do when you're in a relationship. Work with where your mind tell you, here. If you don't make nobody tell you say yes you left Zozo. If you want left him, you left him. If you want to talk to him, Brit between big man meds, you love the dog, don't? Eh?
Well, yeah.
Alright, so where you gonna tell Brit say now we're alright?
But Pops, love is blind though. Look how much people stay in their relationships because of love and it turns out tragic. Look how much women get unalive because of love. Not saying it's gonna lead there, so. But it's getting physical now. And we see it get bad from worse. You don't think them at least need a little break?
Alright, I'm gonna ask you one question. So you never in a relationship with toxic too?
Yes, I'ma just
So
come out of it.
hold on. So you just come out of it not because you're running from fear and can't manage you. Suppose Brit can't manage you, having way out. You
No,
know?
me get a busted.
Yeah,
It
but
was like
listen
me
up.
get my head bust.
Well-
I'ma decide say no, this I get from bad to worse.
Well, listen up, I know what wrong with you. I what wrong with Brit. Man, like say Brit buzz also now bust up Brit. They're mad.
No, but Brit face, you know, see Brit coming at the camera and make him say you have two chopping on your face. You know, look now, you know, see the chop them on her face.
You look like a Zozo fingernail like don't Brit. Brit.
And
I fingernail like don't.
it could have been teeth.
Yeah.
Brit, hold on, I fingernail like don't. Yani, oh me know say I fingernail Brit. Yani ma fight and he hold any.
But he did a punch me too. He did a punch me in my face.
Brit, listen up. Me did in a relationship when me and T Marie did that. Me used to love him. Yes, when me and T Marie did that fight and anything that me did like really love him. Me used to bite him all in my face and try bite him, but
Oh my god.
yeah, but he thump up. Me and see woman and thump him up like that not right. But them a fight and Brit, yeah, you did that put on lick on the dog too, don't? Eh? You and Brit a fight, the two of them a put on lick. Zozo not even know what him a do neither. So he call and tell us saying sorry and something.
Well, pop off my nails them.
So Brit, he tell us saying sorry.
Remember, yeah, me and me that fight back here,
Alright.
but
So
not so much.
I think those look like defensive. Like she was defending. You know when your nails pop off when you defend yourself.
Why I mean Brit, why?
When you defend yourself, the nails then pop off. Because I've been in a relationship when a man come attack me,
So
and
Brit,
because me have to defend
Brit,
myself,
you
the
hear
nails then
me?
pop off.
Brit, I
Mm-mm.
mean I talk to you.
No.
What make you so a fight? Yeah. Probably Brit not even.
Yeah.
So Sam, what made them that fight?
I don't know. I don't know. We just start fight.
Brittany say she that stand in front of the door. Right, Brit, that you say? Something like that. I don't know. I'm still confused as to why they fighting. No, what she said that, well, from what I understand, she said ever since he got the car, he's just been disrespecting her. So
Yeah, and then tell me to move. I don't move.
I think stuff has been brewing up. Like he's just
I
been
don't
talking
move.
to
So
her.
him push me and start fight me and start fixing me.
So I'm first fight Brit or you first? Brit did that, you know, cause me I watch Zozo live and see Brit go back, you know.
I'm first, like he come up and I push me and something.
Brit did that, cause me see Zozo and me see Brit jump go back him down and the dog not even do nothing still, but Brit I your boyfriend and if you and him can't work out things, you and him work out things. Don't make nobody tell you what to do in a relationship, girl, or you know, if you and him work, you and him can't, you and him a come from far and then thing there. That's it. Yeah.
Okay, Pop. So, but can we agree that they could take a break though? Taking a break is working on. If they're living in the same house together and them a fight each other, sometimes you have to take a break for
Yo,
missing.
hold on. You know me down.
You ever see it on the media?
You know some me face it down.
Mm-hmm.
Love people man in a relationship. Stop intervene with them and you want to tell you
Listen,
can't.
my face it too. My face it too.
Yeah, but you can't want to tell Brit what to do, brother. Girl,
No, it's
relationship.
not telling her what to do. It's giving advice. So, Pops, you have your sister, and I'm on a class your sister, bring down your sister, and your sister, your sister come at your house with her too, yeah, dig out. You gonna say you don't care? Is she and her man business?
Brother, listen what me I say, brother. Brit you not dig out. He dog and fingernail and Brit face like the two of them a fight. Brit a defend himself, Zozo a defend himself. Brit no gone no station. Brit not done. That means that Brit love him. So where you go do you can't inter. You know see two of them blind to love every day then
We
get up
know.
and
I mean,
fight.
I know Brittany gonna do what she wanna do. She really wake up tomorrow and them that again. But I'm gonna give her the advice. I think she needs to take a break. That's not me telling her for left our man or what, but she need to take a break and figure out what she wants.
You know say you deserve that boss.
So we tell if you get that boss said.
No, they're too wicked. No, me get the bus because me tell the man say me no want there with him. So, ladies, never you tell a man say you no want there with him to him face. Or else him a go attack you, bro. Me tell the man say me no want there with him. The relationship is overbearing. And
So
so
hold on, how far animal come from?
we was only together for like a year and a half, but it was toxic. It was a toxic year and a half, and I kept trying, Pops. And the last time when bust my head was not the first time. It was not the first time. It went from him pushing me in
So
my
where I
face.
say, Zozo I go put your hand on Brit again.
Me not say that, and I would not wish that, but from previous relationships
No,
and from what other people tell me, it get from bad to worse. From a man do it one time, he will do it again. And most women that have been in domestic violence relationship will tell you that.
you know what you want Brit and Zozo Philip, but you can't do that.
No, listen, I'm not here to tell nobody what to do because like I said, I've been in toxic relationships. But I know that the shit get bad to worse. I was in this relationship, like I told you, it started off with the nigga pushing me. Then one day, him lick me on my face. Then one day, when it really got bad, him thump me in the back of my head while me da brush my teeth. Right? Pop off my nails them. We a fight, we a brawl. And then now the last part was when bust my head. Bust
Yeah.
up my head.
Listen up, alright, let me tell you yes. Well, adopted woman, you know, as soon as them a want man in a want fight, you know, they feel like say, me dey on live and see break back songs also. And they always a fight. And then once they not kill them one another. I don't care. Brit
But alright, but
now.
Them not killing one another, no.
That girl up on the live with BRIT. So, I want go on with you and BRIT, Zozo.
BRIT can't tell her, man.
Zozo, BRIT, I love your brother. You and BRIT no for a fight. You and BRIT a come from far, brother. If you and him a fight, my out. You know? Me know you're not gonna really lick him for try hurt him still, but you know?
Nah, brother, I'm not prudent, no, brother. Isn't that as prudent to understand it? I'm talking that one like, you know, you idiot, you got no levels in the body, no space, that's all. And the idea, my dog, when I feel about talking prudent, no, I stand ready, bro. I'm prudent to just come see that and make it thing.
Yeah,
Bro.
Zozo, you and BRIT no for a fight, brother. Cause look why I have this one girl on the line. He might go say I use BRIT. So I say you're sick. You and BRIT no for a fight, brother. And if you try organize the thing, brother, and try to fix up the thing, you know, I feel like I need like a counseling, brother. Cause I know you love BRIT all what go on, you know.
Pull up, man.
Eh?
I say someone reach on my toe point, man. Doesn't mean just I go and cool out him, brother.
Alright, so just, you hear what Zozo say? Stop intervening. You hear what Zozo say, Sammy? Remember I say BRIT saying love Zozo, and Zozo saying love BRIT, so just, you know, and I bet you want like a minor thing, you BRIT good for a fight. All I may tell Zozo, and I nothing serious.
That's good, man.
I want to know fight is Zozo, bro. I know if you can a relationship on the internet, dog. No look good, dog. Okay, if BRIT never love you and that try to sink you, I mean, I see my try to sink you, you know?
Yeah, Pops, but then I got to cool off and burn that car, mate. They are being wicked and say, if I like that man, I'm going to chat to you.
Call BRIT, man.
Oh, this me.
Same answer in phone, yeah?
Alright, we don't do that, man.
BRIT, you have to call him now, my answer. BRIT. You hear what Zozo say? Yeah? Zozo saying love you, but sometimes
Me, I say.
Zozo saying love you, but sometimes if you just easy BRIT, you know? Man, no. Me no feel like he, boy, I don't know what to say, brother. I feel like ignorance making, you know? What you think, BRIT?
Some jump.
BRIT, you hear me? You see that girl there? I want a little so good girl, I want a little liar girl. And follow him, and a good company. He might corrupt your true film relationship a good on a Jane. Don't make no BRIT, don't make nobody tell you run a relationship. That little kid, that girl a relationship a good on a Jane, but him and him man fight and him man bust up in head. He should have killed him. You know you're smarter than him still in a BRIT, but you can't make, you know, you understand what I say, BRIT?
Yeah.
Corruption. I shame me girl, shame me and jump, you know. Don't BRIT.
No, no. Probably her phone dead. Me no know. Me ask her.
No, BRIT, nobody use no the girl shame. Listen what you do, BRIT, man. A morning, Zozo, I go call you in the night, you and him reason, sit down and talk. I on the top fight to no one another, brother. Cause I tell Zozo, I send Zozo and voice note, you know, go look good. Remember, you're nice girl in the BRIT, you're that girl, you know. So, Zozo, enough you have to put your hand on your knee. Let me make sure you send his shit out a voice note, brother. So, you can't have to put your hand on Britney, that woman, bro. You might go talk something, and me know you might get on your nerves and you're going to fight him and an idea. But you can't do that, so, my out. Stop put your hand on Brit, bro. Stop. Nobody put your hand on Brit. If anyway where you see you can avoid Brit when him attack, you avoid him, dog, and walk him out, brother. You know? And that me I tell a dog. You have to avoid Brit and walk him out sometime and make Brit, cause Brit a woman, Brit a go say things if you draw out you. You don't want to put no mark on your girl and have no, your fingerprint in your girl face and no, bro. You want to go road go see how your man them a feed them girl clean and Brit crack her up. You mad? So you have to think to my out. You ready to grab Brit and ring up your hand. You can't have, I don't know how to say it. So you have to understand my out. Ready to grab Brit and ring up your hand and say Brit easy. You know they want the cause? Yeah.
One big,